This video provides instructions on how to install a LATITUDE Communicator correctly. The LATITUDE Communicator is a home remote monitoring system that gives your healthcare provider access to your implanted device data. First, you need to find a good location to place the communicator, a place where you spend at least 20 minutes per day. A good place could be next to your bed. Please be aware, the communicator cannot be close to any metallic item or electrical appliance. Metallic items and electronic devices might cause radio frequency interferences. The next step is to plug one connection method in the back of the communicator. Landline. Plug the phone cord on the back of the communicator and the other side of the cable in the main phone socket. Once the connection method is ready, plug the communicator into a power socket. You will see a blue light on the power adapter. Once the green bar under the word LATITUDE is green and the heart button is flashing, we can start with the setup. Press the heart button and wait next to the communicator. The blue patient icon will light up on the left-hand side and 3 green waves will start flashing. It might happen that your communicator must download some software updates. In this case, you will see an orange light flashing under the word LATITUDE. This process might take 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the connection. You don't need to stand next to the communicator during the software update. Once the update has completed, you will see the heart button flashing again. Please press it and stay next to the communicator. The blue icon will light up once more on the left-hand side, and 3 green waves will flash while the communicator downloads the data from your implanted device. Once the data has been collected, the heart button will light up, and the green waves will start flashing on the right-hand side. The communicator is now sending the data to the LATITUDE server. Once the data has been sent, you will see a blue doctor icon light up in your communicator, which means the communicator is now set up. The lights will stay on for 2 minutes, after which only the green light under LATITUDE will be lit. This is the normal status of your LATITUDE communicator. No further action is needed. If, during the setup, one or more of the indicators on the front of the communicator flash or light up yellow or red, please refer to the LATITUDE Communicator Patient's Manual or call our LATITUDE Customer Service Team. The LATITUDE Customer Service Team are happy to help you from Monday to Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. In case you must contact LATITUDE Customer Service for assistance, please have the serial number of your communicator ready. You can find this number at the back of the communicator on a sticker. Please keep in mind, the LATITUDE Communicator is not an emergency system. If you are not feeling well, please call your physician. If you'd have any remaining questions on setting up or using your LATITUDE Communicator, you can contact the Boston Scientific LATITUDE support team using the number displayed for your country. Thank you for watching this video.